Hello guys, I'm going to backflip over here. If I fall over here, you need to give me your dirtiest shoe. Okay. I backflipped here before. I think I'm good. You just need this. And 3, I'm so scared. 3. I think I don't know. Well, let's go in another position to backflip. Okay. I think I can backflip here. Can backflip here. 3, 2, 1. Ow. I definitely can backflip there. I didn't fall here. So you give me your play button. I'm just kidding. This is just my first.
Right! Who viewed me? Who viewed me? Someone viewed me. 1 view.
Just me.
Oh, thank you. Did you subscribe?
I didn't even subscribe. Wait, I'm just going to subscribe to my cousin. Bye bye. Subscribe our video.